Well, today, 10-year futures in the positive most of the day, lingering higher, hugging against 2-month highs as the FOMC on Wednesday is pending, keeping people on hold. That said, we did have almost a 3 basis point range when you turn the futures into yields. The futures low today was a yield of 2.611. That occurred about 9 o'clock Central Time. The futures high, or the low yield of the day, was 2.584, which happened just about 11:30 Central Time. Overnight action was quiet. Japan's trade numbers, both imports and exports, definitely were weak, but not a whole lot to change the narrative. Global 10-year futures were higher across the board. We saw yields lower by 50 basis points in Germany, almost 6 basis points lower in Italy, and a little bit over 2 basis points lower in Spain. That said, it seems like all eyes are on the FOMC coming up on Wednesday. Traders are keeping things really tight, or at least it seems so. Volumes are indicative of that. One of the questions is about 2019 dots, if not 2020 dots. Futures markets are pricing in no rate hikes, at least in 2019. It's going to be very, very fascinating. With that, the technicals have become fairly clear to those following technicals. Futures resistance points would be the low yield for the of the year of 2.541. Support gets a little bit more tricky. Support of the futures would be an implied yield of 2.738. And then the next support level would yield 2.766. So all that to say, just about a 3 basis point range, a little bit wider than most expected, given the benign data today and actually the slow going overnight.